తప్ప మీకు రికార్డింగ్ గుర్తురాదండి. నాకు అర్థమైపోయిందండి.
Testing.
చెక్ చెక్. Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Vanakkam, and a very good evening to everyone. Welcome to our very first Diwali block party. I am your anchor for tonight. My name is Prashodhini Dacha. Along with me is my son Shresh Dacha. Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights that is observed by more than 1 billion Hindus, Jains, Sikhs, Buddhists in United States, India, and around the world. This festival symbolizes the victory of good over evil, knowledge over ignorance, and spiritual light over darkness. It celebrates the return of Prince Rama to Ayodhya from his exile and his victory over the evil 10-headed demon called Ravana. It also symbolizes Krishna's triumph over the powerful demon Narakasura. From the story in Bhagavad Purana, both these stories represent the victory of good over the evil. So Shresh, what do you think of Diwali?
Well, Mom, to me, Diwali signifies celebrating the people around us and sharing love with those who we care about. As a child, I remember Diwali being a huge celebration in which I was surrounded by friends and family. Everybody would always dress up in colorful traditional clothing, bring good food, and ample energy to use to dance all night long. There would always be songs to be sung and prayers to be recited. It was a time when we could all come together and celebrate our culture and faith in one another.
You are absolutely correct, Shresh. That is exactly how we are going to celebrate tonight, with friends, with delicious food, and lots of fun-filled cultural activities.
So let's go over the agenda for tonight. Let's start the event on an auspicious note with the prayer to the goddess of prosperity, Lakshmi, followed by an introduction of our new neighbors, and then we have a lot of performances planned along with some fun karaoke.
So, since many of us perform Mahalakshmi Puja on this auspicious occasion of Diwali, let's start with a short prayer. Let me introduce our first group who will be reciting the Mahalakshmi Stotram. I call upon stage Harsha Londe, Sangeeta Anand, and Smita Raj.
तुमको निश दिन सेवत, तुमको निश दिन सेवत, हर विष्णु विधाता, ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता, उमा रमा ब्रह्माणी, तुम ही जग माता, मैया तुम ही जग माता, सूर्य चंद्रमा ध्यावत, सूर्य चंद्रमा ध्यावत, नारद ऋषि गाता, ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता, दुर्गा रूप निरंजनी, सुख संपत्ति दाता, मैया सुख संपत्ति दाता, जो कोई तुमको ध्यावत, जो कोई तुमको ध्यावत, रिद्धि सिद्धि धन पाता, ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता, तुम पाताल निवासिनी, तुम ही शुभ दाता, मैया तुम ही शुभ दाता, कर्म प्रभाव प्रकाशिनी, कर्म प्रभाव प्रकाशिनी, भवनिधि की दाता, ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता, जिस घर में तुम रहती सब सद्गुण आता, मैया सब सद्गुण आता, सब संभव हो जाता, सब संभव हो जाता, मन नहीं घबराता। ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता। तुम बिन यज्ञ न होते, वस्त्र न कोई पाता। मैया वस्त्र न कोई पाता। खान पान का वैभव, खान पान का वैभव, सब तुमसे आता। ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता। शुभ गुण मंदिर सुंदर, शिरोधि जाता। मैया शिरोधि जाता। रत्न चतुर्दश तुम बिन, रत्न चतुर्दश तुम बिन, कोई नहीं पाता। ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता। महालक्ष्मी जी आरती, जो कोई जन गाता। मैया जो कोई जन गाता, उर आनंद समाता, उर आनंद समाता, पाप उतर जाता। ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता।
Happy Diwali, everyone.
Excellent, ladies. Thank you so much. I call upon the next group who will be singing Mahalakshmi Ashtakam, Pushpa and group. Pushpa, Radha, Sridevi and Deepthi. Please come over the stage.
Can you hold your mic a little closer to your...
Happy Diwali, everyone. Happy Diwali to everyone. Happy Diwali. नमस्तेस्तु महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्रगदाहस्ते महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते। नमस्ते गरुडारूढे डोलासुरभयङ्करी सर्वपापहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते। सर्वज्ञे सर्ववरदे सर्वदुष्टभयङ्करी सर्वदुःखहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते। सिद्धिबुद्धिप्रदे देवी भुक्तिमुक्तिप्रदायिनी मन्त्रमूर्ते सदा देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते। आद्यन्तरहिते देवी आदिशक्ति महेश्वरी योगज्ञे योगसम्भूते महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते। स्थूलसूक्ष्ममहारौद्रे महाशक्ति महोदरे महापापहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते। पद्मासनस्थिते देवी परब्रह्मस्वरूपिणी परमेशी जगन्माता महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते। श्वेताम्बरधरे देवी नानालङ्कारभूषिते जगत्स्थिते जगन्माता महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते। महालक्ष्म्याष्टकं स्तोत्रं यः पठेत् भक्तिमान् नरः सर्वसिद्धिमवाप्नोति राज्यं प्राप्नोति सर्वदा। एककाले पठे नित्यं महापापविनाशनं द्विकालं यः पठे नित्यं धनधान्यसमन्वितः त्रिकालं यः पठे नित्यं महाशत्रुविनाशनं महालक्ष्मीर्भवे नित्यं प्रसन्ना वरदा शुभा। Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. That was beautifully sung.
As we all know, we are a developing community, and we think this would be a great opportunity to officially introduce our new neighbors today. So I call upon the stage Anand Uncle, who will be introducing these new additions to the community.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, there will be a spin to introductions here. I promise it'll be a good one. So in the spirit of being equal, I have invited my wife. So we'll do it together.
Happy Diwali, everyone.
Happy Diwali!
I can't hear you guys. Be a little louder.
Happy Diwali!
Hey, that's the spirit. Namaskar, Swagatam, Suswagatam, Abhinandanam, Sat Sri Akal. Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Ram, Salam Alaikum, hello, welcome, Kemcho, Kasakai, and Jai Jinendra. Welcome to the first Diwali block party. आज की इस खूबसूरत शाम में आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत है। आप सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आप सब यहाँ आए और इस शाम को धमाकेदार बनाया है। मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट MC संगीता एंड ये है मेरे पार्टनर कम हस्बैंड आनंद।
Yes, that's right. I'm not an MC though.
एंड हम लेकर आए हैं आपके लिए कुछ स्पेशल। दोस्तों तुमने करके इस प्रोग्राम में दिवाली 2021 एस्टेट्स एट रॉक हिल को ट्यून करें और बी रेडी टू लिसन टू द अपकमिंग प्रोग्राम्स। आज हम लेकर आ रहे हैं आपके लिए एक स्पेशल प्रोग्राम जहां आपकी मुलाकात करवाएंगे हमारे नए कम्युनिटी मेंबर से। तो कहीं जाइएगा नहीं क्योंकि ये प्रोग्राम बहुत ही चटपटा मसालेदार होने वाला है जहां होंगे कुछ सवाल जवाब, पर उससे पहले कुछ दिवाली पर 4 पंक्तियां हो जाए। किसने सही कहा है, आप भी इसमें सहमत होंगे। दीप जगमगाते रहे, सबके घर जगमगाते रहे, साथ हो सब अपने, सब यूं ही मुस्कुराते रहे।
वाह 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 वाह।
दोस्तों जब अपनों का साथ हो तो फिर बात ही क्या है। हंसना मुस्कुराना तो तय है, जो खुशी सबके साथ बांटने में है वो अकेले कहीं नहीं। सही कहा ना मैंने?
Yeah. So let's start. Like I said, it will be a little different. तो मैं husbands को बुलाऊंगा
और मैं वाइफ्स को बुलाऊंगी।
So is Sajan here? Sajan, come on stage, man. I have. This is a very simple concept. Introduce yourself, where you move from. Tell us about your wife, family, whatever you feel comfortable.
Hi everyone. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. My name is Sajan. We moved to 16110 a couple of months back, actually in August. So we are a family of 4. Myself, Sajan, then wife Susmi. My older daughter is Anvi. She is a 4th grader, and youngest one is only 4 months old actually. So Susmi will join after some time. She is with the baby at home actually. We moved here from Frisco itself. We were staying towards PCR side actually, and I am basically from Kerala. I think that's all right.
That's all. Okay. Welcome to the community, and we hope to see a lot of you.
So what do you want to say to our audience today? How do you like our community?
Yeah, I liked it very much so far actually. So many kids. My daughter is having fun, and I'm yet to meet most of the guys. Probably COVID and we were busy settling down actually. So hopefully we'll have more parties like this.
Yes, hope to see more parties like this. Thank you.
Thank you.
From one of our community members.
Thank you.
Okay, next one. It's you.
So next I invite on the stage Meghna. Hi Meghna, can you introduce yourself?
Hello, Happy Diwali to everyone. My name is Meghna, and Piche, my husband Vinesh.
Raise your hand, everyone.
So we just moved in from Chicago in August, mid-August, and I have an elder daughter who's actually in Florida, first year college. My son Siddhant is in 9th grade, and I have a little one who is a 5th grader. Her name is Sumedha, Siddhant, and Sayukta, the elder one. The community is very beautiful. We haven't had much chance to explore everything over here, but we are still settling down and enjoying every moment of it. And we are personally looking forward to meet each one of you, and looking forward to many more functions like this. It's a very beautiful, everyone coming together and enjoying this moment so much. Vinesh, आपको कुछ बोलना है?
Hello, Rokel. Good afternoon, good evening. Wish you a very happy Diwali to everyone. My wife gave all the introduction, right? So there is nothing much left for me to say. But one thing definitely I'm enjoying is, and I'm having a little bit challenge to myself is, there are too many arts in the community, wherein I need to get accustomed to who is Raj, who is Rajendra, who is Rajesh, right? So it's a good thing, and we are fortunate that we have here, and it's going to be a fun time for us here. I mean, just to give you a flavor of it, it was not a difficult move for us. We lived in Chicago for about more than 2 decades, 21, 22 years. It was kind of I'm still running. I mean, we decided this move within like 3 months, less than 3 months. I had, as Meghna said, I had my elder daughter's college entry as well. So it's kind of in transition. We are slowly still settling in, and definitely we are going to have a good time, I'm sure. I'm looking forward to having a wonderful time with each and every one of you, and look forward to these kind of events in the future. Thank you so much.
Say, I love you, Dallas.
I love you, Dallas, Little Lamb, and Frisco.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So it's my turn now. Ajay. Ajay. Please come on over. Oh, my neighbor, right?
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ajay Gugila. Way back in India, I hail from Tirupati, but raised in Chennai. I know Tamil, Telugu, and Hindi too, Butler Hindi. So I studied second language Hindi. We moved last December 10th. We moved here. Very good neighborhood. Before we moved here, we did a lot of our thorough Desi analysis, I would say. Who was there, a lot of faces we met across, and we decided this is the best community for us. And we didn't have much time to sign the contract. So we just signed the contract and moved here. We were so lucky to be part of this great, cheerful community, I would say. Very nice people, lovely neighbors. All right. So let me introduce my family. Padma, please come in here. Come on.
Hi, I'm Padma Gugila. That's it. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, everyone. And my elder one, you can stand up there. You don't need to feel shy. Come on, stand up, up, stand up. You can stand up. So she is Dhriti, and she's a 10th grader. And I have a little one, Smriti. Stand up. And she is a 5th grader, and she goes to kindergarten. And my mother is also there, Sureka, with me. And my puppy, which he is Louis. You might have seen a small dog walking. And I live right across Gordon Heights and Moss Haven.
The
So
bus
that's
stop.
about the family.
The bus stop.
The bus stop. The zoo bus stop, whatever. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Nice to be part of this good event. Happy Diwali.
Hey, thank you. Here's a token of gift from our community. Thank you.
Next, I would like to invite Neetu. Yay. The husband also can come to the stage. Ardhendu. Welcome to Estates at Rock Hill.
I'm Neetu and my husband Adindu Thakur.
Hello everyone, happy Diwali. So first of all,
Happy Diwali to all.
I'd like to say thanks to all of you for extending us such a warm welcome. We have just moved here 3 weeks back, so we are probably the newest member of the community. But within 3 weeks, we came across a couple of our neighbors and friends over here, and we are really liking and enjoying the community. Of course, we'd like to connect more with you, and we are looking forward for more such events. So from family perspective, myself Ardhendu Thakur, my wife Neetu Thakur. My son is in college, he's a freshman, he's at UT Austin. His name is Ritesh Thakur. And my daughter is here somewhere, Anika Thakur. Anika, can you stand up, please? She's Anika Thakur. She's in 7th grade, going to Trent Middle School. So our roots are from Bihar in India. But my father did his education from Darjeeling, and when Sikkim became part of India, he moved to Sikkim, and we were born and brought up in Sikkim. So I've been roaming around since then. I have been in US for last 11 years, all in New England region around Boston, and we relocated to Texas 3 months back. So we have been looking for a house. We are staying in Flower Mount, and here we are. So looking forward to connect with all of you. Thank you and happy Diwali.
Thank you, Ardhendu. There's a little gift from the community.
So are you guys ready for the warm Dallas weather coming next year? Awesome.
So next, let me call Satish. Satish,
And Janani.
come on over. Oh, Satish, you can come by yourself. So just a little introduction. Satish, help us put the whole sound system.
Hi everybody. So I recently moved like 5 to 6 months back. My name is Satish and my wife's name is Janani. And yeah, I have 2 kids. One is 4th grader and another one is 1st grader. That's all we have to say. And my hobby is singing.
You are a very good singer. SP Balasubramaniam.
It's not like that, just like casually singing, that's all.
Okay,
I'm not a practice singer, just like learn myself.
great. But we'll listen to your program later. if you're
Yeah, sure,
performing.
definitely. We'll do that.
So I think everyone knows Janani. She has been having a business of oxidized jewelry, and she had been posting on the estates at Rock Hill. So I think most of you know her, right?
Yeah, she's running an LLC, sir.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next, I would like to invite Sheem and Sameer Bhai. Please come to the stage.
Yeah.
Not here.
Okay, moving on onto the list. Shri Devi
Shri Devi.
and Vallabh. Okay.
Hi everyone. I'm just looking for my husband. He's just busy with my little one. But my name is Sridevi Vallabh. My husband name is Vallabh Wadla. We moved last year during the quarantine time, and here you go. Come over. Come. And I have my 2 kids, my 2 lifelines. One is Vanisha, she's going to kindergarten now, and the other one is Vian, who's 3 years old. Can you say hi to everyone? Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
That's about it, and we are very happy to be here because we are doing a lot of socializing, and I think I could able to find some of my friends, and I'm having fun. And especially yesterday, we had a little fun, with small party and all. So that's all about our family.
Happy Diwali, everyone.
Happy Diwali.
Thank you.
One, two, my friend, four friends.
Wow, we have budding anchors here.
Sure. We will do it after some.
Pranali Bhatt,
Pranali Bhatt.
Okay.
आ जाइए स्टेज पे.
They moved from Chicago.
Hi, my name is Pranali Bhatt, Ray or Raj, and these are our two kids, Aneri.
Luna, can you get up?
हम जाओ हमारे जाओ.
Nice one.
She's a senior, and she's a senior in high school, and my son Roman, he's a sophomore. We moved here last year during COVID pandemic time, so we didn't have a chance or opportunity to meet with a lot of community members. So we are really excited to be part of this event and look forward to knowing each and every one of you.
We're happy to be here.
Thanks, everyone.
Welcome, guys. And this is a small token from the community member.
Okay,
Sheem and Samir Bhai.
आ जाओ स्टेज पे. So ये भी हमारे पड़ोसी Moss Haven में. He lives on Moss Haven. There you go.
Come on, guys.
Hi everybody. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Hi, my name is Samir Kamra. She's Shamim, Sanvi, Samad. So we all are on as family. So we recently moved from Edison, New Jersey, a few months back. So we were in Irving for a few months and then moved over here. So what else is the protocol for the introduction?
कुछ गा के बताओ. नहीं, not serious.
If I start singing, they will start running away. Okay, as he said, Anand said, we moved on 16514 Moss Haven Lane. We are friendly family. Please come over anytime. Whenever you want.
So,
If you want to learn Bhangra, he can teach you.
so what do you want to tell our audience today?
Today, I would say, first of all, I would like to thank all of you. It was really a great effort to organize this big event. I would say we should have a good round of applause for that. Sorry I couldn't participate. A lot of things going on, but that's my bad. Next time I promise I'll be there. Here's a little token from the community. Oh, thank you so much.
I love you, Dallas.
There you go.
Love you, Dallas. Love Estates at Rock Hill. Love you all.
Thank you. Is Madan here? Madan and Pratyusha?
Hello everyone. Happy Diwali. This is Madan Pratyusha and this is Rishika and that one is Rishika. We are in 215 Timber Tree. We moved just 6 months back. We moved to Dallas 2 years back and we were in Irving. We really enjoyed liking.
Enough?
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, we recently moved in like just 6 months back. We started liking the community. Yeah, that's all.
Thank you, madam.
I love you, Dallas.
Rajesh and Maheshwari. What's that?
Hi everyone, happy Diwali. My name is Maheshwari. This is my husband Raish. I have a son and a daughter. My daughter is in 7th grade. My son is in med school. He's at Texas Tech. We moved here a week ago. Our house is 190 Timber Creek, the Lennar model home. And I have a dog. He's 1 year old. His name is Keno. I'm sure my daughter's asking me to introduce him to you. And my parents are here, my dad, my mom and my brother, they'll be visiting all the time. So my parents are here and we are very happy to be a part of this community. We didn't know much about it. We just purchased a home and we moved in and we are very happy with it. Yeah.
She said it all. So we're glad we're here and we have a great community. We already bumped into quite a few people here. Everybody's excited and we're all excited. So good to be here.
Hey, say hi to your parents also for us, from the whole community. And hang on. I forgot something last time. So, here's a token of We're almost to the end. Shaila and Krishna Prasad. Shaila? No? Do we have Raj Mekala? Oh, welcome to the community. Here you are.
Hello everyone, this is Soumya and my husband Raj, and we moved here last year and we are really liking it. And
Happy Diwali to all.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Welcome to the community.
Hold on a sec.
How do you like Dallas?
It's really good, the neighborhood and everything. We really like it, and weather-wise, it's really good. Enjoying it.
Yeah, the weather is nice here. Here's a token of credit from our community. Can you guys hear me? So another floor is open. I reached out. Okay, we have one more.
Is Shailaja here? Not you.
Okay. So open. Anyone who has moved to the community last 1 year. Going once? Okay, come on in.
That's not fair. You forgot.
आपके मियाँ ने मना किया था. ऋषि, आ जाओ. आज हस्बैंड वाइफ की लड़ाई होने वाली है.
Hi everybody. This is Rishi Mohan and my wife Komal.
Komal. Happy Diwali to everyone.
Happy Diwali to everyone. We have a kid, Rishika. She's right there. Rishika.
Can you wave?
Come. is V3, and we moved here like in last December in COVID time, and since then we have been here, and we are really lucky to be here. From the day one, she got friends here, and that's the best part of this community. A lot of kids of this age, and we are really liking that thing. And nice people. I got good, real good neighborhood like Ravi, Vikas, Raju. So.
Everybody is really humble, and everybody is very nice to be mingled with. We are blessed to we chose this community. It was not we have not done any research, but we are surprisingly blessed to have everybody here. Originally we are from Haryana, and we were in Irving before and just moved it last Christmas. Thank you everyone.
Happy Diwali.
hold on. हरियाणा में कुछ कैसे दिवाली हैप्पी दिवाली कैसे बोलते हैं हरियाणवी में
सब ने बहुत हैप्पी दिवाली हमारी तरफ से
Happy Diwali.
Awesome. Thank you. Okay, so we have one last call. Any new member in the community? Okay. Where? Okay, come on over. Come on over. I know his name. I will call him by yeah. Happy Diwali. Aajo bhai.
Happy Diwali, guys. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, everyone.
Happy Diwali.
So my name is Pardeep Kumar and she's Kavita. We just moved to this community only a few months back. So we moved from Florida, Tampa, Florida. And so far we have been traveling a lot, so we did not get much time to mingle with those people. But as far as what we have seen, that it's a beautiful community, good people, beautiful people, and we are blessed to have here. Thank you very much and happy Diwali.
So what do you like about Dallas that was not part of
Florida?
where you came from?
Yeah, actually that's the question everyone is asking us, that we were living in Tampa, which is definitely in terms of the beauty. There is
Paradise.
no comparison between Dallas and here, but I moved here because my company moved me. So I'm in investment banking side. So we are dealing with the South Asian clients mostly. So my company moved me here, and I also started up my one venture here. So from business perspective, but definitely in terms of, but Kavita will
Yeah, I like the Dallas. I'm so happy to hear. And thank you guys. It's a really beautiful community. And we are really happy here.
Thank you.
I'll ask the same question during summertime. Thank you.
But I'm telling you that even summertime, we like summer here better than Florida.
We're going to miss the beaches and everything.
But it was too humid as well as.
Okay, I know someone who didn't reach out to me, but he is a new member of the community. Senthil, come on over. So he is also our admin for the new Facebook group, Rock Hill Estates. There you go.
Senthil.
Hello everyone, this is Senthil. Here is my wife. She is my wife Uma. My elder one Aradhana. My younger daughter is sleeping there. She is in the stroller. Sanjana. So we are a resident of Dallas for more than 10 years. We were living in near South Lake. We moved to the east side of the town. So I moved in last February here. So I'm happy that I moved here. I love the community. So everything over here is good. That's what I feel so far. So it's going very good. I'm very happy that I moved into this community. Okay. Again, happy Diwali to everybody.
Yeah, happy Diwali to everybody.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Here's a token of it. Thank you. Appreciate it.
So I think Shailaja is here. Shailaja, can you come to the stage?
Please.
Can you please come to the stage and introduce yourself and your family?
Sampath is still coming. After that, will do. Sampath is coming.
Okay. So in the interest of time, I'll call back Prasodini
Yeah.
to go with the rest of the. Okay. I'm sorry.
All right, guys, have fun, enjoy the rest
And-
of the evening, and
Like Sangeeta was saying earlier, love you, darling.
Dallas. And we love our community estates at Rock Hill. Love you all.
Thank you, Anand and Sangeeta. That was a lovely introduction. Welcome everybody who are new, who joined us newly to the neighborhood. Now that all the introductions are done, let's get into more fun and fun-filled, engaging activities. We all love Bollywood and Bollywood songs, don't we?
Yeah.
So Shresh, what is your favorite number?
That's a difficult question, Mom. Bollywood songs come in different genres and of various tunes, but off the top of my head, I can think of Tujhe Dekha To Ye Jana Sanam.
Wow, that's a lovely choice, dude.
What's your favorite Telugu song, Mom?
Well, I have a lot of Telugu favorites, but I really enjoy A.R. Rahman's compositions. Speaking of songs, let's welcome Raj and Satish to sing some melodious karaoke for us. Welcome Raj and Satish.
I love you, Dallas.
I love you, Dallas. I love you, Rock Hill. Start with a song, Ye Sham Mastani.
Yeah, start that.